Amazon is the biggest e-commerce marketplace in the world, and people are making thousands of dollars through Amazon affiliate marketing. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create review videos of Amazon products with just one click using an AI tool. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, before creating any review video, you should choose a niche. I suggest you create videos on any micro niche such as kitchen equipment, gadgets, accessories, travel equipment, and so on because competition is low in these niches. All right, first you need to go to Amazon and find any product here. For example, I'll search for a massage gun. You'll see that there are many massage guns available on Amazon. If you want to find the best one, you just need to go to the filters and choose the best seller from here. Now you'll see all the highly rated massage guns. You'll see that more than 10,000 people are buying these massage guns per month, and their price is almost more than $25. Now I'll check the difficulty of this keyword on YouTube. I'll use VidIQ for this. You'll see that 37,000 people are searching for this single keyword monthly, and the competition is also low. This means your video will easily rank on YouTube. For example, if the price of this massage gun is $49, and Amazon gives you a 10% affiliate commission per conversion, it means you'll get a commission of $4.90. So if 10,000 views come to your video and only 1% of people purchase through your link, you'll earn $490 from 100 sales, which I think is a pretty good amount. And I'm not just talking nonsense, this is the truth, my friends. So take it seriously, please. All right, after that, you need to go to Fliki AI. I provided the link in the description below. You can sign up for free there. And if you're thinking of purchasing, I'll also give you a discount code. Okay, after that, you need to create a new file here and enter the file name here, then choose landscape in the aspect ratio. If you want to make a short video, you can also keep it portrait. Then choose the product here. After doing this, submit it. All right, now you need to paste the product link here. So I'll copy the product link from Amazon and paste it here. Here you can set the maximum duration according to your preference. So I'll set it to 3 minutes. After that, I'll simply submit it. So the video is in progress now. All right, so our video is ready. We have a total of 14 scenes. First, click on the background music layer and set the volume to 10. Then you can also change the voiceover from here. You'll find ultra-realistic voices here. Okay, after that, you can add a small intro here. I'll just add a new scene here. Then I'll paste the intro of the video here. I'll divide this scene into 2 parts and add stock videos to both. In the same way, I'll add one more scene at the end and paste the outro here. All right, you can easily get this type of intro written by ChatGPT. Then I also want to add an AI avatar to this intro scene. So I'll just select scene 1, then click on the AI avatar, change the avatar from here, and add this avatar. All right. After that, if you click on scene 1, you can also change the template from here. Apart from this, you can add subtitles, edit text, add AI avatar in every scene, and much more. I've explained everything else in the tutorial on Fliki AI. If you want to watch the full tutorial of Fliki AI, you'll find the video in the I button. After doing all this, you can export the video from here, and this is your final video.
In this video, we'll take you through the features, performance, and real-life benefits of this innovative device. Whether you're an athlete looking to soothe sore muscles or someone simply seeking relaxation after a long day, we've got you covered. Massage gun for athletes with 10 speeds and LED screen black. Sold by M&V Baby Products. Experience the power of relaxation with the Ray EMAO massage gun, your solution to muscle recovery and pain relief. Designed for deep tissue stimulation, it features high-frequency vibrations that promote blood flow and nutrient transport. In learning more about wellness products and techniques, be sure to explore our other videos and subscribe to our channel for updates on future reviews and recommendations.
After that, upload the video to YouTube with the proper title, descriptions, and tags. Then you need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, and then you need to copy your affiliate link from here and paste it in the description of the video. Now, whoever makes a purchase through your link, you'll get a commission. So my friends, if you want more videos on affiliate marketing like this, be sure to comment below. All right, that's all my friends. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to watch this video in which I've taught you how to create viral short and TikTok videos using Fliki AI.